If you too busy watching the we're back. What's this? Oh, we're reacting to AMP crashing a wedding. Now, we're gonna hop right into this because I'm kind of hungry and I want a sandwich. So we'll go ahead and hop right into this. I got some snacks though, so 2 fruit snacks and 5 Doritos. So if you hear me munching, I'm sorry.
Recently, I know y'all been seeing some clips of AMP crashing a wedding, but let me tell you where this story actually started.
Hey, so many beautiful girls, like I feel like I'm Sean Kingston. Man, cause I get the Sean Blinkston. I'm outside with big and
Hey, the reception's not gonna wait for us.
We need to get suits all black and white. Come on, bro. We gotta run this game. We gotta get in here. Let's go. We at Target.
Gotta get some suits, man. We gotta get some suits.
From Target though? I don't know.
I need a suit.
Y'all have like button-up shirts. Like I'm finna go to a wedding real quick.
For like men?
Yeah.
All or just in one section?
Button
Bro, we gotta run this game. We gotta get in here. Let's go. We at Target.
Gotta get some suits, man. We gotta get some suits.
I need a suit.
Y'all have like button-up shirts. Like I'm finna go to a wedding real quick.
For like men?
Yeah.
All or just in one section right there?
Okay, cool. Appreciate it. No help. What's up? This too little for me. Oh hell no.
Yeah, this shit is only for petite ebonies, I ain't gonna lie.
maybe this might be the one for me.
Bro, that is not the one for you, man.
Are they all just tight like this, or just me?
Might be good, OJ.
Oh.
Oh.
Damn! Hey, no joke, go like that.
No, dumbass. How the f would I go like this? Who the f you talking to like that?
Just like Kanye, you look stupid, dude. You got an L print. You talking? I'm supposed to ask you, boy. Extra small. That's what I need.
My man do.
Unfit was the last bit.
Hey, listen, for the youth out there.
Stay in school. Look.
Too much space.
It's too much paper, right?
Hey, look,
Yeah.
There
we go. Yeah.
Nah, you gotta be.
Oh, okay. Oh. Look. Damn. This the one, I can feel it. Fashion be dressed like this on a regular Wednesday. My nigga, where the is you going?
Oh my god, can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Oh my god, thank you.
Yeah, we in the video right now. I motivate you, bro.
You can't complain about having a lot on your plate when the goal is to eat.
Hey.
Thank you.
Yeah, we gotta get this one right here.
So we got all the suits. We covered all the suits right now. Check out, and we go order the wedding.
Ooh, we used to play this back in the plantation, boy. This is my, y'all know nothing about this right here.
Hey, boy, you don't know what I'm
Hey, you're a wild
No. That ain't some shit. That ain't some shit. Bring it to the table, guys.
Listen, guys, let's lock in.
Hurry the f up! Hey, I'm put my drawers on.
We're gonna go in there, we're gonna crash that wedding, but this is the night of somebody's life.
Yes.
So, at the end of the day, we gotta make it really special. AMP on me, AMP on 3.
Don Julio on 6. 1, 2, 3. AMP 4, 5, 6. Don Julio!
As a beginning life as husband and wife.
Venom, jump out. Marriage is a very beautiful thing. Congrats, bro! Congrats, bro! Good shit. Congratulations! What up, man? That's man. Okay, all right. What's up, bro? How you doing, ladies? How you doing, ladies? How you doing? How you doing, bro?
Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, bro.
Where you get the food?
I took it from under the window. I'll tag you.
Of course you tax. Oh my.
Wait, what food is this?
Hey, yours.
I'm about to eat it, baby. Win, baby. Look it, baby. Suck it up. Look it, baby.
I'd like you all to join me in wishing the new Mr. and Mrs. Garcia all the health and all the happiness in the world.
I want to go. I want to do a speech.
Speech.
I got speech. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today? For those who don't know me, my name is Kai. Me and Roddy go way back, dude. I feel incredibly honored to be standing here today as someone who has witnessed his growth and now the start of a beautiful chapter. Roddy has the incredible ability to show up for the people who he cares about. It's what makes him so special and why I know he's going to be an amazing partner. Raven, you bring out the very best in him, dude. And I have no doubt that the two of you will create something beautiful.
His dread is in the middle right there.
Congrats, brother. Thank you so much.
Like sometimes you get a. This is the thing about retwists, bro. They be looking weird in certain positions, so you can't just have your hair like.
Congratulations, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you, bro. Thank you.
I gotta stay with you.
Gorgeous together, man.
Pleasure to meet you, Riley. You have a lot of people that care about you, man.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The earmuffs doing everything, huh?
This is our son.
That's a son. So Riley and Raven. Hey, DJ! Play that DJ! 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 I like how you do that right there, boy. Jump out, where? Jump out, jump out, jump out, jump out.
You're gonna rob that place, and I'm gonna do it with you. Trust me. Trust me.
Appreciate you, bro. Salud, papá. Bendición a todo el mundo. Bendición. Hey, yo, it's lit. Everybody love me. What's up, Brody? You know what I'm saying? Damn. Come on, move the arms with it. Down. All right.
I'm the talk of the city, you heard something different, it's getting ridiculous. But you can't do shit without glazing. Nah, I can't have a baby with you. I don't know about for dumb shit, but that's how you know you made it. Really, it is what it is. I did what I did, no point denying it.
I said, motherfucking fame. I'm still the same, and I'm still getting paid. I like Rick with the march, I love. My shade blind so much, I call it Helen Keller. My left hand makes, but my right hand a killer. And I freestyle this whole shit, I'm finna
My son gon' fall, I roll was at the circus. And then she gave me this, is how I started on give me with that thing I ain't never There is only same size as Mentos. Just like Big Tigger, I've been rubbers through the basement. Difference between you and me is I don't get complete.
I don't got no more snacks, bro. I see you eating while watching this video. You gotta give me some of that, bro. So you gonna share what, bro? I'm too hungry to finish this video. So it's either you give me some snacks to the screen right now or I'm going in. And I don't think you want me to in. I need something. Oh no! I know.
If a car's getting Jason, please don't try to race it.
Man, weddings are such a special time, man. I love weddings.
Hey, it's gonna hit the top. Told you, I called it.
Y'all ready? Good at musical chairs?
I haven't played since kindergarten.
Let's go get away.
Hey, you ought to throw hands with that, bro.
I don't know about all that. Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that. That's probably a bad idea. No, not anything. Yeah, actually, no.
No, he cheated, bro. He cheated. I need some snacks.
We are all fools in love.
Yo, we turned it up. Look, we came in that motherfucker. They was sitting down eating dinner and shit. Hey, whoever wedding want to be crashed next, go put it in the AMP exclusive DM. We gonna crash whoever wedding. We gonna crash all types of weddings.
Shout out to Riley and Raven. You know what I'm saying? We out here having a marvelous time. Wedding was on some chill when we first stepped in, but now look at it. It's rocking. You know what I'm saying? Rocking like cut off stalking.
Hey, it's lit. A couple Thorntons in there. I'm gonna throw it a pounder. I'm about to get mad shit. This is the night of my life. I got my bottle. I detached the bottle. I detached me a drink. I'm about to take you this party. When we entered there, it got lit automatically. It looks beautiful. You know, a wedding is a beautiful thing. Everybody having a good time. We just all vibing, music going crazy. Everybody was so nice.
Hey, no, that's really fun. As soon as we walked in, it was such an amazing experience. I had a great time. And shout out to Riley and Raven, man. They enjoying the time of their lives. And now so are we.
I don't like celebrating people's love because I'm lonely. But they seem like some good guys, man.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, what the I gotta do to be like y'all, man?
What you gotta do, you gotta go find a woman, and you don't give anything but love. You don't give it your token, you only give it your heart, time, and your mind.
Relationships is fire. You got somebody to care about you. When you go home, you got somebody to call who actually loves you.
Well, you always have someone that loves you, though, because we love you.
We love you.
I'm with the bros.
Yeah.
They had a kid 7 weeks ago. Today, they tied the knot. Life is good. God is good. Amen.
Bro, listen, bro, I can't wait to get married. Bro, this right here,
I'm gonna be lit.
I'm be doing that.
I'm just...
Who is this right here? Oh, never mind.
I know who that is.
No, you don't.
Ash Cash.
Stop saying that, bro. Stop just saying that, though. Stop.
If you wanna get married one day, say hell yeah!
And if you having a good time, let me hear you say hell yeah. Say hell yeah.
Now, who know this song? Who know this song?
That $100 bill would've got snatched. My bad.
That's a big
shot. God damn, y'all. Hey, tell these to subscribe. Subscribe. About to hit 10 mil. You better subscribe. Or else.
Let's go.
Ask about me. I'm really like that.
Oh, rock star. I'm a rock. Hey, hey.
Is that him screaming?
Appreciate you for having me.
Yes, it's nice meeting you too. Thank you guys.
I didn't know they was Nah,
That's glaze. Give the fans what they want, God. Give them what they want. Give it right to them.
Me?
You said that's glaze.
That was glaze.
And then you left skipping.
No!
Hey man, I'm finna go make me a sandwich. Do what y'all supposed to do. Yeah. Um, I will see you guys in the next one tomorrow. No, I don't know when. I don't know. All right. We all enjoy, man. I'll see you guys in the next video.